episode 2 of the Bristol to Exeter Series 3. I've just come up on the green set from Exeter St David's to Tiverton Parkway. This is episode 2. I didn't actually film the arrival of the green set at Exeter St David's, but here it goes anyway. This is off to London Paddington via Westbury to Tiverton Park. We're at Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Westbury, Reading and London Paddington. One with first class. And yeah, this is the green set. It's the service from Penzance. Yes, the 10:10 service from Penzance to London Paddington at Tiverton Parkway here. Here we go. (43188) on the back, with 3 weather facing upwards, so obviously the driver that's previously went on this train obviously didn't turn the windscreen wiper off properly. And there that goes, that's off to London Paddington. And the next train to arrive here at Tiverton Parkway, our second service, is the 10:30 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington via Bristol Templemead, calling at Taunton, Weston-super-Mare, Bristol Templemead, Reading and London Paddington. I think that's how roughly it's going. 43032 on the front. This is also the Parkway Express as well. Next train to depart platform 2 here at Tiverton Parkway is 43032. Oh, here comes cross country. That's the Plymouth. 31. Cross country service to Plymouth, calling Exeter St David's. Now it's on there to Plymouth. And this is to London Paddington via Bristol Templemead. So I think this is the service from Paynton, I think. I don't know. 43032 on the front, and on the front of the cross country over there is 43301. On the rear here is 43162, and this is the Parkway Express. And on the rear of this cross country is 43378, and that's on the 10:31 cross country service to Plymouth. Most cross country services today are being either diverted to Gloucester or they've been cancelled completely. There it goes at 10:30 to London Paddington via Bristol Templemead. And here is the service to Plymouth, calling at Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. It will terminate at Plymouth. We'll probably see this later on today. I would imagine on the service to Leeds, 43378 and 43301 on the front. Cross country, which is Mark 3. Next to depart Tiverton Parkway on platform 1 is the 10:31 cross country service to Plymouth. It's running approximately 3 minutes late at the moment. 43301 on the front and 43378 on the rear. That is now off to Plymouth, where it will form a terminating service to Leeds, I think. I don't know if anyone notices, cross-country HST Class 43 actual train is exactly the same style of the new GWML HST. So that was my first clip. I came up on that from Exeter St David's to Tiverton Parkway. I'll be going up to Taunton. I think it's on the 11:21. Then there's also a Class 59 rail tour. and that will be as a separate video, and that will be in the trains at Taunton in the description. And the next train to arrive at platform 2 here at Tiverton Parkway is the 10:37 cross-country service to Gloucester. This is being rerouted from the Aberdeen service. This is the service from Plymouth to Gloucester, calling at Taunton, Bristol Temple Meads, Bristol Parkway and Gloucester. 220029. This is now forming the 10:37 cross-country service to Gloucester. Next to the platform 2 here at Tiverton Parkway is a 10:37 cross-country service to Gloucester. This has just been rerouted. Most cross-country services like Aberdeen, Edinburgh, Glasgow, due to a car striking a bridge. So most services are being rerouted to Gloucester, calling at Taunton, Bristol Temple Meads, Bristol Parkway and Gloucester. So that goes off to Gloucester. The service from Plymouth at 10:37 is approximately running 2 minutes late at the moment. So all this train rerouting stuff takes time to put into place.